Hey, welcome to What We Thought. I'm Kevin, and if you're new to this channel, you know, when we started this channel, initially it was going to do a lot of product reviews and stuff like that, and we've done several, just not as many as we thought, and it's kind of turned into kind of like, I would describe it as an urban homesteading, because we've done a lot of, home repairs. I did that bathroom remodel, all of our gardening stuff, and just everything around your house. We're on a little 1/4 acre here in town, and now we started doing some freeze drying, and I just did some apricots, lemons, and limes. And when you freeze dry, you know, it takes the water out of whatever you're freeze drying, plus you defrost the machine and you have the defrost water, which leaves the water almost like distilled water, but it has some nutrients from the fruit that you freeze dry. So what I'm left with is I've got this container here that's about that full, and instead of just dumping it down the drain, well, I've got some garden boxes out here that I'm going to dump it in. And I'm not saying you can dump all your freeze-dried water in your garden, especially like today I'm going to be doing some red chili sauce. And that water, you know, it's going to have the hot stuff in it. You can put it in your compost pile, or you would dilute it 4 to 1. How do I know? Because I Googled it. You know, I'm new to this. But so if you're thinking about using your water in your garden, Google it first. Let Google know what you freeze dried, and it'll let you know if it's safe to put in your garden. With the fruit or vegetables, totally safe. So I'm gonna go dump this in my garden boxes, and as you can see, our garden is doing really well. So let's get this watered. All right, there we go. I added some nutrients to our garden boxes, and you know, I mean, I've got worms. I did the little worm bed baskets in there, and those are doing really great. Like I said, got all kinds of stuff. Got some sunflowers and fruit trees. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. Don't toss this down the drain when you can actually use it. All right, thanks for checking out What We Thought. I hope you have a great day.